Hi, Kathy here, Crafty Chica in my studio, and you know what? I came to the conclusion on this project I'm going to show you that I give up on trying to be a minimalist. I'm going to show you this project and you can take it to whatever level that you want. So here's the inspiration. I got these super cute money deposit bags that I thought would be so fun to decorate with fabric paint, and I could use them for my affirmations or on the go journaling, and the whole element of them being a money deposit bag fits so good with manifesting and all of that. And I came across the tulip fluffy paint. They had me at Fluffy, and I thought I would take this bag and just add some cute little elements to it, maybe a little bit of micro glitter, some crystals. This is what happened. This is how it ended up. Once I started, I couldn't stop. So let me show you how to do this. Before we get into the project, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's go make the project. Make sure your surface is clean and dry, and take your tube of fluffy paint and just kind of give it a massage in the tube. You can shake it a little bit and then put on the icing tip. The box that I got came with two different icing tips. This pink held the design so nicely. I found that some of the other colors did not hold the design, but this pink one worked really good. And it took one tube to do this design all the way across the bag. Because the pink was pretty much gone, I decided to add the orange, and that's where things went a little bit off the rails. But I pushed through because I really wanted to experiment with the paint. Now, if you don't want to buy the fluffy paint, you can use bathroom caulk and put it in a tube with an icing tip, and it will come out a lot like this. You'll need to tint it with paint. It's a little bit more work, or you could buy fluffy paint like this. So here I just went for it, and then I decided to go in and add all kinds of little embellishments. I was just going to add crystals, but you know what? I craft to have fun. So you can take this concept and adjust it to your own liking. I am playing here, I am experimenting, I am having the best time. And it took about, I want to say 48 hours to fully dry because I put that stuff on thick. Now in the center, I added a little glittered card that says La Mera Mera. I drew this in Procreate and then printed it out. The best of the best. That's what this bag is all about. It's completely different than how I imagined, but that's what creativity is all about. Check my description for links to all the supplies I used for this project so you can make one too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. I want to know what you think about this, and stay tuned for more crafty ideas. Visit me over at craftychica.com and all of the socials at Crafty Chica. Bye.